Ubud Food Festival. This festival serves variety of Indonesian culinary as well as rising culinary history, fresh ideas and innovative changes and the dynamic culinary industry and its story behind our dishes. Founded in 2015, the Ubud Food Festival is a 3-day cross-cultural culinary adventure with Indonesian food as the star. Showcasing Indonesia's diverse cuisine, innovative chefs and extraordinary local produce have always been at the heart of UFF. Each year, the festival welcomes audiences and chefs from near and far to learn about Indonesia through its cuisine. The Ubud Food Festival is a major annual project of the Yayasan Mudra Swari Saraswati. The festival has a vision of enriching the lives of Indonesians through community building and cultural programs. It is the sibling event of the Ubud Writers and Readers Festival and Bali Emerging Voices program. At Taman Kuliner, the festival hub, you can delve deep into the island's culinary landscape with sample food stalls, where a mouth-watering array of food purveyors, artisan producers, and manufacturers offer unique products from all over. Indulge yourself in a range of complimentary activities, including masterclasses, and watch culinary creme de la creme at work as they cook up a storm during live demonstrations on the Teater Kuliner stage.
Festival dengan membuang sampah pada tempat yang telah disediakan. Anda juga bisa bergabung bersama kami di media sosial dengan hashtag UFF23 dan ikuti akun @ubudfoodfest. Ubud Food Festival tidak akan terwujud tanpa dukungan.
Thank you for watching. I'm Dirgavilm. Stay motivated and enjoy life more. Peace.
This one, get 40% discount.
is salad. What's in there?
Cabbage, rice.
Okay. Yeah, she'll have that. I didn't even see it's got $55 for one.
Tartar sauce. Tartar sauce.
Is it got chili in it? None at all. Nothing comes in my mouth. Actually, no. Yeah, that one. Thank you. I like to say that.